Hey everybody and welcome to Technology and Toys. In today's video we're going to be taking a look at Anker's PowerCore Plus. It's a 26,800 milliamp hour battery. It features Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0. Doesn't tell you too much on the back, except it's model A1374. What Apple product is that? This just came from Amazon. I haven't even had time to cut it open and take a look inside, so let's do that right now. Alright, plastic off. Let's open her up. America's leading USB charging brand, and I do believe that. Anker's pretty well known for their quality. So we have the battery itself in a little plastic bag. Some information on reviewing it and whatnot. A welcome guide. You get some accessories down here. Come in their own little box. Comes with a nice little mesh pouch to keep it in. And a micro USB cable to charge it. Peel the plastic off, and here we have the battery. You've got this button right here. When you press it, it lights up with however much percentage you have left. You've got one input and three outputs. One of them is Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0. On the back you've got Quick Charge branding. On the bottom you've got some information. To charge it, you just plug it in. The lights around the button will continue to circle around it until, I assume, until it gets all the way to the end and it's fully charged. And then charging from it is pretty much as simple as it gets. You plug in your cable, plug in your device, turn the battery on, and it starts charging. And I believe you can charge up to 3 devices at the same time. So we're going to test that real quick. I've got my iPhone charging over here. I've got some power banks that are going to be my test subjects here. Plug in this one. That starts charging, and then we'll plug in this one. That starts charging. Phone's still charging, so you can charge 3 things at the same time with this one bank, which is pretty cool considering most power banks usually only have 2 outputs. And as I mentioned before, this is a 26,800 milliamp hour battery. Kind of an odd number, but I'm sure they have their scientific reasoning for it. And it is a rather big battery, so I'm going to put that in the middle. And just for comparison's sake, I have my Imudo Leo SL200QC. It's a little taller. And I have my Taurus X6L Pro from Imudo, also a little taller. So it is quite the tall battery. So these 2 batteries are pretty tall on their own, and this is maybe a 1/4 inch taller. Now on Amazon right now this is $74.99, so it is quite pricey, but it's Anker, like the box just said. It's America's leading USB charging brand, so they've got a nice reputation to back that price point. So you're not going to get cheaped out or sent a product that's DOA. I'll have the link to this on Amazon down below, as well as on their main website. Guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did enjoy, be sure to leave a like and subscribe, as well as turning on notifications so that way you don't miss my next video. And while you're down there, leave a comment telling me what your main daily driver battery is. This has been Jake with Technology and Toys, and until the next video, I'll see you all later. Goodbye.